Okay, just a quick video here on a kayak cart that I picked up. It's by Suspenz, and it's the DLX with the sand tires. You can get it with the airless tires, but I mostly wanted a cart not as much to carry with me when I go camping, but to get from like the car down to the beach and under the water at the start. So, it's a pretty nice piece. A little big, I'll give it that much. A little bigger than I thought it was going to be. You definitely, if you had to, you could stick it on the back. The tires come off. It does fold up. Boom, like so. Just get it up there so you can get an idea. So it gets, pretty narrow. Well made. Very beefy. What I do like about it is it's got a kickstand. Hang on a second. And it's designed that it anchors. You have the two rails, and it's got straps on each rail. So you've got two straps going around the kayak, whereas if you notice, a lot of carts only have one strap. And if you notice, the carts tend to slip out and go sideways. So these are actually air-filled tires. Take like 3 psi of air. And this quick disconnect ring here, you just pull this out, drop the pin, and the tire will come right off. So you can do that. So let me mount this on a kayak and give you an idea of how big it is. If I didn't say it was well made, let me say it again. It is definitely well made. Suspenz definitely does take care of you as far as that goes. What's nice, these are rubber, not like some foam wrapping stuff that, the foam usually dries out and turns into nothingness. These are actually heavy duty rubber pieces, all stainless steel hardware. And, when, it's not going to sit on my bench good. But you can see that's the angle that the kickstand will hold it up. So you can get your kayak on it. And it's got two legs that come down, and not only are they like locked in so they ratchet, but it has a strap here to make sure it doesn't go over the distance. Let me get a kayak out and throw a kayak on it. Well, I'm not sure how this is going to work out because it's really windy, and we'll see how it sounds. But you can see this is a 15-footer on there. And what I like is, so you got double straps, and that thing is on there. You can tighten it right up, boom. And it rolls really easy. And if you're going through sand, that would be great. And that's really what they're for. That's what we're looking for, just going through sand.